for Thai and Lao language. If you know Thai, and then you will understand some Lao as well. Thai language is like Lao language. Okay, when you learn Lao language, okay, you will understand some Thai language. When you learn Thai language, you will understand some Lao language. Both languages use 5 tones. Some words are the same tones, and some words are not the same tones. Okay. The first lesson, okay, I would like to recommend you. Okay, so it should be phonetic for the first lesson, because Thai language is a tonal language and Lao language is a tonal language as well. So phonetics, linguistic, okay, is really important, right? So you need to know, because it will help you to be able to speak Lao and speak Thai properly in good pronunciation, and people understand you. Okay, so I have some lessons in the video. If you would like to follow my video, please register to buy this lesson and follow my video at your convenience. Right, there will be a good lesson for you if you want to start to learn Lao language. Please follow my guide if you want to have good pronunciation, a tonal language. So if the tone is wrong, people will not understand you. So make sure you start from the beginning of the language, phonetics, okay? That will help you to understand people and speak Thai or Lao correctly, right?